今天这位嫌疑人就厉害了，躲在房车里直接引爆了炸弹。事情发生在美国的密歇根州，这位粉色衣服男士是这片土地的主人，而嫌疑人就躲在房车里，他跟房主好像是朋友之类的关系啊。嫌疑人之前因持有违禁品和武器违规被判有罪，但他未按时出庭并弃保潜逃。现在车内的男士跟外面的警察都很危险，因为车内的男士有炸弹。我们先来看看执法记录仪的画面。
Morgan Parish, Van Buren County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for the property. Come on out with your hands up. Morgan Parish, Van Buren County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for the property. Come out with your hands up. Morgan Parish, final warning, Van Buren County Sheriff's Office. Come on out with your hands up. Morgan Parish, coming out with your hands up. Morgan Parish, Van Buren County Sheriff's Office. Come on out with your hands up. There's fresh smoke in here, so he was just smoking in there. Morgan Parish, Van Buren County Sheriff's Office. We have a search warrant for the property.
Get this window up from this side?
Try to, yeah. Morgan Parish, come on out or else you're gonna catch more charges. I think I'm gonna grab I'll grab the dog. Long line. Try for the door.
There's a hammer right there, we can try to bust that lock.
Okay. Yep.
That's actually open that screwdriver. I'm gonna cover from back here.
这名警察可真猛啊，他完全没有意识到车内有炸弹，还在这里撬车门，接下来车内的男士就引爆了炸弹。
Central 801, hold traffic.
Houston Station, holding traffic for 10 to 1114.
Central 801, be advised we have a barricaded with smoke inside the residence.
Do you want to start fire department?
Negative, not yet.
Be advised, you threw something.
Hands up! Show us your hands up! Come on out! Come on out! It's not worth it! Okay, clear. Got a search warrant for a subject who's got a warrant. As we entered, set off an explosion, exited, then went back in.
So I'll get SWAT team headed that way. We're gonna get, I'm gonna have some people get some armor up there for you guys.
With a hammer trying to pry it open. Yeah! I ain't using my dog.
I want your dog ready to be deployed. If he comes out of that house again, I'm gonna send your dog after him.
Okay. Stay. I don't want to hit you with the door. Here. Stay. Kennel up. Kennel up. Stay.
I want to go on the other side with your dog and
Yeah.
stage.
Okay, so you just want to hold up there with the dog?
We're just gonna hold. As soon as we get some guys here, we're gonna deploy here. Is that window open right there?
Yeah.
We're gonna put smoke through that window.
Yep.
And then we're gonna try and get them out.
Okay. Casey, I'm gonna put the dog up for now. If he's armed, I don't want to send the dog. When he first came out, it looked like he had a gun or something, a small gun. So I don't want to send the dog if he has that. Do we got less lethal up here?
It's on the way.
Kennel up. Make sure that AC's cranked up, please.
It appears that he's holding a pipe bomb.
He's got it barricaded. He's got something blocking the door. There he is, sitting right at the door. So he's on the right side of the door. Morgan, come on out, buddy. You're not in trouble.
Nobody needs to get hurt here. All you gotta do is come out and talk to us. I'd like to breach that window right there.
Yeah, once we get a less lethal, you're gonna send a beanbag through it. All right, I'm on your 6. You want me to hold here? Okay. Morgan, can you come on out, partner? Morgan, can you come out? It's not worth you getting hurt over. Well, Morgan, you haven't hurt anybody here. All you're being charged with is just for obstruction, just for your warrant. So he's not going back to prison. He said we're in the danger zone, asked us to back up. We don't have a sniper. If you set off a bomb, you're going to catch that RV on fire and catch your friend's house on fire. You're going to set your friend's house on fire. He's been talking to us. He's right on the inside of the door. As soon as you go in that door, he's right here, sitting there.
You want to breach the front window? Try to pull some of them blankets down?
No, I don't want to force the issue yet because we're gonna put gas in there first. We need to clear this house right here so we can try and use the back side.
I'm going to hold over there on that side with Wildy.
I want you to have your dog too.
Okay.
Send.
现在是特警队来到了现场，刚才那点警力根本没法抓捕车内的男士。
You have confidence in him to run up and bite that here?
I honestly don't know.
All
Let's
right.
not do that then.
Yeah.
You get on one side, I'll get on the other side. He's big enough for both of us.
Is he supposed to push that car out the way?
Going on the.
Okay, hold tight and be ready with this, okay? So they got CS gas and, yeah. So in case he comes out, you be ready. You ready? Yep. He's moving to the back of the RV. He's at the back of the RV.
Here he comes to the door.
Yep.
Don't do it! Hang on, got a bomb and blow this whole house out of here. I'm not joking. It's going right now. I'm gonna blow us up, dude.
If he raises that, then you hit him, okay?
Come on. Don't make that happen. God damn it.
He's gonna be on the front end of the RV now.
I'm gonna light it up out here.
Okay, get ready. Get ready. Hit him. Hit him.
Come out! Get out!
Get ready, it's there. Get ready, it's there.
Stay back. Stay back.
He threw it at us. No.
Put your hands up! Come out! Come out!
Less lethal deployed. Get ready.
Come out with your
Hands up.
Come out! I'm hurt. Come out! Where's your talking? Hands up! Hands, take commands. Hands up!
Hold.
Hands up! They are. Hands up! Trying to get the tail out of my way, dude.
Everybody hold traffic. Let 8-2 give commands. 8-2 give commands.
Oh my God.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Listen to what he said!
Hitch. If he moves back this way, you hit him again.
I can't see.
Come around me. Come around my right. Come on. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me.
I'm going to move EMS up to 8-1.
Hands up. Come on to me. I wouldn't clear that without a gas mask. No, we're not.
What's that?
I thought it was a fly bite me.
男士最终还是被逮捕了，幸好没有造成人员伤亡，但是他的问题依然非常严重。他被指控18项刑事重罪，保释金被定为极高的500万美元。 警方拆弹小队随后在现场搜查中又发现了一枚未被引爆的管状炸弹，并将其销毁。2025年12月18日，陪审团在听取了多名现场特警的证词后，裁定男士所面临的18项重罪指控全部成立。由于他面临多项意图谋杀和恐怖主义指控，外加惯犯身份，他将在监狱中度过余生。如果他当时主动投降，可能只需要服刑几年，但他选择用炸弹将事态升级，直接导致他丧失了重获自由的可能。面对现代国家机器和执法部门，个人的暴力抵抗是毫无意义的。炸弹不仅没有吓退警察，反而招来了装备更精良的特警队，彻底封死了他的退路。当然，警察能够安全退出也是命大，这也提醒了执法部门，任何看似常规的逮捕都可能瞬间变得致命，现场评估和战术预案至关重要。好了，本期的视频就到这里了，感谢观看。